baby is sleeping. This is Bowman 1951 coming back at you with Rookie Card Explosion Box, limited batch, volume 10. No, seriously, the baby is sleeping upstairs. I've got just a few minutes to get this unboxed. Just met up with Philmington on our day off. Happy Indigenous Peoples Day, everyone. It is time for Rookie Card Explosion Box, volume 10, first off the line. Let's get right into this. Unpacked. Let's put the box back out. I love to jump around. Here's what we're looking at for this iteration. I'm going to start with 2018 Heritage High. Why not? We can get into this. Some of that vintage in a little bit. Trevor Williams, Dixon Machado, Tim Beckham, Andrew Suarez rookie card, Curtis Granderson, Freddie Galvis, Kenyon Middleton, Jacob Barnes, and Mitch Moreland. Let's stick for some later years in Pack 2. 18 update, everybody knows this one by now. Fultonevich, Teoscar Hernandez, there's an Albies rookie. Put that in the hit pile. Ozuna. Have a nice postseason. Brian Dozier. Jacob Nottingham. Freddie Peralta inserts. Some rookies. Pitchers. We're going to round it out. I spy some 93 tops. That is what I am after next. Shout out to B-Roth6 who has his gold Jeter coming back in the PSA 10. It's absolutely phenomenal. That's really all we're looking for in here. The gold's going to be right on top. Dan Walters, looks like. Edgar Martinez. Uribe. Vizquel. I'm just going to fly through these. Alright, there's a Hall of Famer Robin Yount. So there are no rookies in the 86 O-Pee-Chee. That's this one here. Oh, it does come with the gum. So, I just like the looks of these, especially with the little O-Pee-Chee label in the top right corner. I don't think I own any of these. Hall of Famer Jim Rice. Lou Whitaker. Glenn Wilson. I remember him in his ugly glasses. Frank White, Mitch Webster, Charlie Leah, Phil Garner, manager, and the Tom Seaver with the gum stuck on the back. So let's see if we can get this slowly off here. Ooh, that is stuck real good. I don't even know if I want to mess with that. I'm not sure how to get that off. Leave a comment down below if you have any ideas. It is really stuck on there. If I continue to pull, I think I'm going to do some damage to the card. So from 86 back to 2019, Top Series 2. My favorite product of the year so far. We'll see how Update and Update Chrome do. Oh, jeez. Nice card hanging out in the back there. Nice spotted. Kevin Newman, Strasburg, Brandon Drury. So Willie Adames Rookie Cup. Spotting a gold as well. Tawny gets hot. Oh my goodness. Talk about an amazing gold to pull. I saw it peeking out, and that's not even the card that I was referring to. Ooh, let's take a closer look at this bad boy. All right, I'm going to steady this in. Corner's looking sharp. Yep. Back. Looks good. Oh, finally have a nice big hit out of this box. It's been a few months. Ryan Brazier, rather. Gary Sanchez. Again, there's still another great card coming. Trevor Story. Cole Hamels. Mark Canha. And we're on the back. There she is. Obviously not another gold, but, I mean, man, 2 key rookie cards in one pack. Love it. Let's go with the 2010 Topps update next. Don't think this has ever been featured. I think Giancarlo Stanton would be the big one I'm looking for anyway. Brandon Phillips, Scott Rowland, Adrian Beltre. What do we got here? Oh, Milton Bradley, Chris Heisey, Octavio Dotel, Jason Vargas. I think this is like a 59-year Topps insert. Oh, wow. That is number 2. There we go, 11 out of 59. It's a decent pull. Josh Johnson, so I remember him. Tales of the Game. And Jared Weaver insert. Let's go to 15 update. See if we can find the hero of last night's game 2 of the ALDS, Mr. Carlos Correa. The walk-off bomb over the Yankees. Danny Munoz. Jonathan Papelbon. Adrian Gonzalez. Silly card to have. Here is a hit. Joe Panic. Game use. Oh, it's a workout jersey. Put that in the hit pile, I guess. Brandon Dozier. There is a Lindor rookie debut. Nice box so far. Wow. And a Carlos Correa. Are you kidding me? What? Right after that? That is sick. Oh my God. Wow, I did not expect that. Woo! This has turned out to be a nice month for me. Wow. I think I'll save that Heritage Minor 19. I want to save this one too. Let's go 2016 Topps Chrome. And then we'll go right into 2018 Topps Chrome. Aroldis Chapman. Anthony Rizzo. This might be a Prism. Looks that way. Julio Teheran. And Jason Kipnis. Right into the 18 Chrome. Clint Frazier rookie card. Another Prism of Francisco Lindor. Tommy Pham. And Yadier Molina. 3 packs left. I think I will go into that 82 Donruss next. Last 2 are really fun out there, and I wanted to save those till the very end. Didn't save the hits, though, did we? We are looking for Cal Ripken or Lee Smith here. Just fly through these once we find those 2. Harold Baines, second-year card. Cruz. Yogi Berra, manager. All right, we got 16 Bowman up. We could hit another Tatis, Vlad Jr., Bregman, Moncada, Robles, a couple other guys in there, and autos. There's Drury, Brandon Belt, Christian Arroyo, not a first Bowman, Manny Sanchez, paper, Gerardo, Brian Hayes, Rowdy Tellez, Gil Cabrera, and Ryan Howard. So not the best pack there. All right, final pack. Minor League Heritage 2019. Some pretty good value out of these if you enjoy collecting minor league cards. Really looking for a Yordan Alvarez or Wander Franco. Adam Hazley, Julio Rodriguez. That's a good card. Alex Kirilloff. Casey Mize. Vidal Brunion. Gabriel Cancel. William Contreras. And to round it out, Jaime Jones. All right, volume 10 in the books, and this one was probably maybe my best I've had out of the 10. The Adrian Beltre Bowman Chrome rookie, probably in 2 or 3, was my second best. We'll start out with the O-Pee-Chee Hall of Fame hits. And again, if you know how I can get this gum off the back without ruining the card, it'd be greatly appreciated. Please leave a comment down below. We got a hit out of, oh my gosh, I can't even remember which tops this was. Maybe it was 2010, or 2016 rather. Joe Panic. Jersey card, not the best, but probably was a hit out of the box. We got this Josh Johnson, 59 years of tops, and again, this was numbered to 59. There we go. Base Ozzy Albies rookie. And they're just going to get better from here. So I did go back and look at the list for 2019 Topps Heritage Minor, and Julio Rodriguez was on there. So I don't know if this is grade worthy, but I will certainly hold on to it. And got it in the top loader. Now we're getting into the juicy stuff. So we're going to start out with this Francisco Lindor rookie debut in 2015 Topps Update. Eloy Jimenez base out of 19 Series 2. And the two biggies. Carlos Correa base came out right after that Lindor. Talk about surprising. That was an amazing pack. And so was this 2019 Series 2, because boom, boom, boom. Let's blow it up one more time. Sick card. I don't even think I focused on the numbering last time. We're going to 1863 of 2019. The only thing I wish about this was that it was vertical, but people say they love the photography of the Tatis card here. So amazing hit. I'm really stoked to feature this box first off the line. I'm sorry I didn't save that hit for you guys, but it looks like all the autographs are out there, so maybe that Bregman rookie auto is still hiding in one of these boxes. Best of luck to everyone, and you should have them in hand in the next couple days. Bowman 1951 out.